Hello, welcome to this lecture video. So I'm teacher Melay, and today we will still discuss, or this is still the continuation of our discussion on dimension reductions and diagnostics test. So we have reliability analysis, factor analysis, and cluster analysis. But in this video, we will just focus on reliability analysis. And for reliability analysis, we have actually here Cronbach alpha, test, retest, but we will only focus on Cohen's kappa with nominal data. So we have separate videos for Cronbach's alpha and test, retest reliability using correlation. So what is this Cohen's kappa? So as emphasized here, it is for nominal data. So assuming that you have two categorical variables with the same values, so you can measure the agreement. So this is an example. If you want to determine the reliability, for example, of the record and against the response of the students. So for instance, here, we have the race of the students based on the school record, and the other one is based on the student's report. So obviously, race is a nominal data, and we have two categorical variable, and it is of the same values because it's both race. Race based on the school record and race based on the student's report. So in this example, we will answer what is the reliability coefficient for the race based on the records and based on the race reported by the students. In other words, we are also answering the question, how reliable are the school's record? So in answering this question, so I prepared a data set here. So a data for race record and race report. So the first column is generated from the survey. So I just copied the data in the survey sample available in the sample in the SPSS, but I only considered 1,000 respondents. And also I created a copy for raised report, which means it is the response of the students or the report of the students. So our objective is to generate our reliability coefficient using Kappa. So in doing this, we are going to click Analyze. So this is the procedure. Click Analyze. And then descriptive is statistics and crosstab. So I repeat, Analyze, descriptive is statistics, and crosstab. So you have to click that. So let us place the raised record in the row and raised report in the column. So anyway, you can interchange this variables. So it's a nominal data. And then click statistics and let us locate Kappa. So we have here the Kappa. So click Kappa, click continue. And then in the cells, let us also check total percentages. So we will just check this and click continue and click OK. So this is now the result. So we actually have 1,000 respondents. So what we are going to do is to copy this first in Microsoft Word so that we can analyze it. Okay, so this is the generated table. So in this table, let us highlight the agreement. Of course, the agreement here is the percent or the count for white, white, black, black, and others. So let us highlight this with color yellow. $145 and the other one is 99. So this is the agreement. And the disagreement are, so let us select the disagreement. So we have here 2. Let's use green. 8. And 1. Let us double check it. So we have 0, 0 for all other cells. Let me just place all borders. So in this table, we can see the agreement by, let us remove the highlight here because of course what we need is this one. So the diagonal here that corresponds to the same category like white to white is the agreement. So 745 based from the record and based from the report of the student. 145 black based from the record and based from the report. And 99 based from the record and based from the report. But we have 2 here. That means that based from the record, they are white, but based from the report, they are black. And then also we have here 8 that corresponds that based from the record, they are white, but based from the report, they responded that they belong to other race. So similar to the race record here, so we have 1 claiming that based from the record, black, but based from the report of the student, he or she belongs to other. Okay, so the yellow one highlighted in yellow are the agreement, while the one in green are the disagreement. So for a total of, let us just split this so that we can place it here. So the agreement and consistency is 74, 5 plus 145 plus 99. For this agreement, we have 2 plus 8 plus 1. So this is 11. And 989. So the agreement and consistency based on this record is 989, while for the disagreement we have 11. So for the internal, for the reliability index, so we have here the reliability index or the measure of agreement. It is 0.973. So in determining or in identifying whether our measure of agreement is acceptable or not, it must be 0.7 and above. So in the case of this example, so it is above 0.7. So it is 0.973. So it is important that the value is above 0.7. It is not just our concern is not just the p-value, which is significant, but it is more important to report the measure of agreement. So it must be above 0.7, I mean, and above. So in interpreting the table, so we have here a ready-made interpretation. So Cohen's Kappa was computed to check the reliability of the reports of the student raised by the student and by the school record. So the resulting Kappa is 0.973, indicates that both school records and students' report provide similar information about students' rates. So we can say that the documents are reliable. The student records are reliable. So thank you for watching.